Sparks. Let's go. I see somebody burn, and you gonna learn what you gotta do. Go put them in a casket, and see them go away. And you know I'm better than the mother rappers today. I'm better than the mother rappers, cause you can read my chapters. And you know what I'm doing, trying to make this book so you can take a second look. Tell me that I am not a crook. Yes, I am white, and you tell me I ain't a rapper. But you know for real that I'm your favorite scrapper. I'm your favorite scrapper that you will ever know. And you see me and you know what I'm doing, bro. What I'm doing, trying to make my own beat. And you know what I'm doing, stomping with my feet. This is what I do. And you know I can make your heart skip too. I can make your heart skip, cause when you see me, you know what I'm doing, trying to battle you, G. Trying to battle, and then I hit you with this paddle. And you know what I'm doing, I am at the top, you know my flow will never stop. And you know what I'm never doing, snitching to a cop. Never snitching, never ever snitching. And you know what I'm doing, trying to put these people in a ditch. I do. And you know I'm just hanging with my crew. I look at the clock, it's time to go. And you see me and you know I can make it rain, bro. I can make it rain, you can feel my pain. And you know what I'm doing, I'm not trying to be like Saddam Hussein, cause he blew up my country. And you know what he tried to do, tried to punch me, but I fought back. You know that I never talk no smack. Never talking on the mic unless you're talking about me first. And you know that your flows are gonna be worse than mine. You know this game I define. This is a game I created. And you know that you hated on me because I was in the Hall of Fame. And you know what I'm doing, spitting my game to the ladies. And you know for real, you can never ever faze me, but you try. And you know you tell me that you want me to die, but I am the best. I hope you people are impressed. Never try to put me to the test, cause you gonna lose. You know that I got so many bruises on people's faces, cause you know they need to be put in their places. I ain't scared, I'm a pimp. And you know what I'm doing, I am never refusing. And you know what I'm always doing, knocking people out every day. And you know that's what I got to say, TKO. And you know what I am doing, bro, what I am doing is killing this because you on fire. And you know for real that you got to retire. Alright, you guys. Don't forget to like this, favorite this, share this, do whatever you can do to get this out there. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.